In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications in Slack so you never miss an important message. Slack notifications are crucial to staying informed and responsive, especially if you're part of a busy team or project. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to fine-tune your settings to match your notification preferences. First things first, let's launch Slack. You can either open the Slack desktop app or navigate to Slack in your preferred web browser. Once there, log into your workspace. This will be the starting point where we spring into action and customize your notification settings. Now let's access the Preferences menu, which will allow us to adjust your notification settings. Go to the top right corner of the Slack interface, where you'll find your profile picture. Clicking it will open a drop-down menu, and from there you'll want to select Preferences. Once you're in the Preferences menu, locate the section labeled Notifications. It's here where most of our adjustments will take place. This page gives you a comprehensive view of all the notification settings you can tweak for your Slack experience. Let's begin by enabling desktop notifications. You have a couple of options. You can choose to receive notifications for all new messages, which will ensure you're alerted for every message that comes through. This is helpful if you need to stay on top of everything happening. Alternatively, you might prefer to receive notifications only for direct messages, mentions, and keywords. This option limits alerts to messages that are directly relevant to you. Next, we'll move on to configure mobile notifications. This is important if you frequently switch between devices. You can set these notifications to always receive message alerts, only when not active on desktop, useful for when you're away, or never if you'd rather not get interrupted on your mobile device. In addition to these, we can deep dive into customizing your notification settings. First, consider adding highlight words. These are specific keywords that, when mentioned in a message, trigger notifications to ensure you don't overlook topics of special interest. Another crucial setting is Do Not Disturb. Make sure this is turned off during your working hours so you're not missing out on any urgent messages. Finally, pick a notification sound and decide whether you'd like them to appear as banners. This adds a personal touch to how you're notified. Don't worry about losing your changes because Slack typically saves settings automatically. However, it's always a good practice to look out for a Save Changes button, just in case it's needed. To wrap things up, let's test to make sure everything is working as expected. Send a test message to a colleague or even yourself to confirm that your notifications are coming through just the way you've set them. And there you have it, your Slack notifications are now fully set up and ready to keep you informed and in control.